One very cool feature of Find and Replace is that we can use it to find and replace formatting. This is extremely useful when a uniform type of formatting needs to be applied to an entire Excel workbook or parts of it. For example, if the fill color of cells that are marked as a total in this sheet needs to be changed from dark blue to white, and we need to add dark blue borders, we can easily search the entire workbook for cells formatted as totals and colored in dark blue, making this quick substitution for the entire workbook. Here's how it goes. I'll open Find and Replace, and we'll find the formatting options to the right. We are changing formatting, and this is why I'll leave the two content boxes empty. Instead, I'll go ahead and find the format to be substituted by clicking on this tiny arrow and selecting Choose Format from Cell. The alternative is to recreate the format manually by selecting Format. But given that we have it right in front of us, it would make more sense to select it directly. We also have to specify the new cell formatting. I'll use a white fill color, and we'll add the two borders. Perfect. Let's click on Replace All. And all old total formattings will be replaced with the new ones we've added. See? Excellent.